So good morning, good afternoon, and good evening guys. This is your nurse Harold back again for another video para sa'yo. First and foremost, I want to say thank you so much for supporting this channel. And if you are new to my channel, I usually do travel vlogs and nursing vlogs. So if you like this kind of content, you can support by clicking the subscribe button and tapping the bell para ma-notify ka if I will be making more videos in the future. In my last video, I told you guys that UK has a very efficient and accessible transport. However, being in the city here in UK for the first time, for example, in my case, I'm living in London, even if the transport system is effective and accessible, it is always overwhelming, especially if you don't know how to get around the city. So in this vlog, I'm going to help you with that, and I'm going to share 3 very important apps that you can download to make your study or travel or work in the UK easy when it comes to getting into different kinds of transport and getting into your destination. First app that you can download is the Citymapper. This app is for free, but you will need an internet connection to use it. The good thing with this app is that you can use it in almost all cities in the UK, if I'm not mistaken. It's user-friendly, at the same time very easy to navigate. So let me demonstrate on how it works. In my case, I live in Norbiton, so I will key in the place and then my destination will be Jollibee or Leicester Square. So after completing it, it will show me the options or the ways that I can take in order to enjoy my lunch in Jollibee. So it will show you options like the bus, the trains, and the tram. Then at the same time, it will also tell me on how much will be the fare throughout that journey. So it's quite straightforward when it comes to using the app. If it's your first time, definitely you need to download this one if you are in the UK. If you want to go around the UK and you want to use the bus, there is also an app that you can use to make your journey comfortable, and that is called the Coach app or your National Express app. So National Express is one of the bus companies here in the UK that you can use if you want to travel from one city to another. So the principle of using the app is the same with Citymapper. This app is more useful if you want to use the bus or coach when it comes to traveling from one city to another or intercities here in the UK. When you open the app, you will again type your destination. London Victoria bus station or coach station is the place to go, and you just key in where you want to go. Then after, it will show you options on what time and then how much you're going to pay in relation to that journey. My recommendation is if you're traveling from one city to another in the UK using this app, better book in advance because the fare is cheaper. Like in my case, when my wife and I went for our short getaway in Bath, we only spent £30 for our return journey from London to Bath. So that's how cheaper it is. The last one is, for example, you want to travel outside London and you want to use the train as it is quicker than the other transport, for example, your bus. So Trainline app is the way to go. The principle is the same with the first and the second app, but this is more applicable if you want to use the train as your main transport on traveling to different places here in the UK. I also advise that if you want to travel, you book in advance because the fare is much cheaper than booking it quite close to your date of travel. So if you're in the UK, download it straight away. But that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like it, please leave a comment, any suggestions, any topic that you want me to vlog next. I will be happy to read it and try my best to do it for you. And if you learned something out of this video, you can also give it a like, and that would be highly appreciated. So thank you so much. This is Nurse Harold again. I'll see you on my next vlog. Keep safe and never stop dreaming. Bye bye.